Dear ZeeLancers, in today's tutorial we will learn how to generate company audit sales and expense reports on the ZeeLance ERP Center. To proceed with that, click on Login, enter your username and password, and press the Login button. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will see your connected business displayed at the top in the header section and the ERP Center below that. If your business is not yet connected to your account and the ERP Center is not appearing, then first upgrade your account to a business account. For details regarding account upgrading, please watch the tutorial titled How to Upgrade Account to Business Account. If everything is in place, then click on ERP Center and select Analytical Reports. Once inside the Analytical Reports section, you can access, download, and print multiple types of reports, including Team Analytics to view the complete employee account list for your connected business, Customer Reports to download and print Customer Profile Overall List or Customer Profile List within a specific date range, Inventory Reports to download and print comprehensive inventory records, including current stock levels, product details, and availability status, Online Sale Insights to download and print company overdue records, company sales within a selected date range, client overdue records, and client records within date, In-Store Sale Reports to download and print company overdue records, company sales within a selected date range, client overdue records, and client records within date, and Expense Analysis to download and print overdue expense reports and expense reports within a selected date range. In order to generate the company annual audit or any financial report, suppose you click on the Online Sales Insights section and select the Company Sale Within Date option. Enter the start date and time with the end date and time, and then click on Print to generate the report. This will provide you with the company's online sales revenue and taxation records. In the same way, you can also go to In-Store Sale Reports and generate sales and taxation records for in-store sales if you are using the POS system on ZeeLance.
Next, you can click on Expense Analysis and select the expense report within date range. Enter the same date and time range and click on Print to generate the report for company taxation and expense tracking. In this way, you can easily generate your company's annual audit reports in real time directly from the ZeeLance ERP Center.